Hello and welcome to 3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. So we have got all the major global crypto updates from the past week for you in the show. But before we start, let's cut across to Manoj Thara for the market check.
The cryptocurrency market entered a consolidation phase on Friday as major digital assets retreated following a strong rally earlier this month. Bitcoin remained range-bound, while Ethereum and the several large-cap altcoins posted mild declines. So despite the short-term pullback, analysts remain optimistic about the long-term outlook, citing sustained institutional inflows and short on-chain metrics.
Thanks, Manoj. India is preparing to launch its own Reserve Bank-backed digital currency to enable faster and more secure transactions, Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal announced in Doha.
Well, he said that the currency would carry an RBI guarantee similar to traditional money and would use blockchain for transparency and also efficiency.
Goyal added that this innovation could curb illegal activities through verifiable transactions.
Also, while India leads globally in crypto adoption, the government remains cautious about unregulated assets.
So Goyal clarified that cryptocurrencies without sovereign backing or tangible assets will not be encouraged.
Now, meanwhile, Bitcoin miner CleanSpark ended September with 13,011 Bitcoin in reserves after selling 445 BTC for about $48.7 million.
The company mined 629 BTC during the month, marking a 27% year-over-year production increase.
And CleanSpark said that fleet efficiency rose 26% with an average hash rate of 45.6 exahashes per second.
The miner has been selling part of its production since April to maintain financial independence.
Now, CleanSpark's Nasdaq shares climbed 5.28% after the update. Meanwhile, the combined market cap of 15 public Bitcoin miners hit a record $58.1 billion in September.
Simultaneously, BitMine Immersion Technologies has added 179,251 Ether worth $821 million, bringing its total Ether holdings to 2.83 million, over 2% of the token's supply.
Well, the firm's total crypto and cash reserves now stand at $13.4 billion, including 192 Bitcoin and a stake in 8 core holdings.
Led by Thomas Lee, BitMine aims to acquire 5% of Ethereum supply and stake its holding for yield. Lee said crypto and artificial intelligence remain key supercycle investment themes, with Ether undervalued compared to its long-term potential.
Moreover, Digital has expanded its Ether holdings to over 150,000 ETH after acquiring 31,057 ETH worth $140 million.
The purchase, financed through a $150 million convertible note sale, makes Digital the 6th largest Ethereum holding public company.
Well, that's great. And CEO Sam Tabor said that the move reflects confidence in Ethereum's long-term potential. The firm's convertible notes were priced at $4.16 per share, attracting investors like Kraken Financial and Trump Trading.
Digital's Ethereum assets are now valued at over $512 million, further strengthening its crypto treasury position.
Now, in an interesting update, ZOOZ Power Limited has purchased 329 Bitcoin for about $40 million, bringing its total holdings to 854 BTC, valued at over $100 million.
The move aligns with its Bitcoin Treasury Reserve strategy announced earlier this year. CEO Jordan Fried said the firm remains committed to holding Bitcoin long-term and offering investors equity exposure to the asset class.
Now, funded by proceeds from a private placement in July, the purchase underscores ZOOZ's strategy to position Bitcoin as a key balance sheet reserve asset.
Moving on. Pineapple Financial Incorporation has unveiled its $100 million Injective digital asset treasury, starting with an $8.9 million purchase of 678,353 INJ tokens.
The Toronto fintech said that this marks the first step towards becoming the largest INJ holder and staker, targeting an annual yield of 12.75%.
Funded by a September 2025 private placement, the move underscores Pineapple's confidence in Injective's ecosystem.
And CEO Shubha Das Gupta called it a conviction in INJ's future, while Injective co-founder Eric Chen praised the step as a boost to on-chain finance adoption.
Meanwhile, CleanCore Solutions has boosted its Dogecoin holdings to 710 million Doge worth $182 million, booking $20 million in unrealized gains.
And the company said that it is moving towards its goal of 1 billion Doge, supported by the Dogecoin Foundation.
CleanCore raised $175 million through a private placement to fund the Treasury, with all transactions handled by Robinhood via Bitstamp for transparency.
Moreover, CEA Industries Incorporation now holds 480,000 BNB worth around $585 million, making it the world's largest BNB treasury holder.
The company said its total investment stands at $412.8 million, with another $77.5 million in cash, bringing total assets to $663 million.
Well, BNB's record high of $1,336 pushed its market cap to $185 billion, ranking it third behind Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Well, CEO David Namdar said the milestone validates BNB's ecosystem and positions CEA to own 1% of BNB's total supply by end 2025.
So that's all in this episode of Weekly Wrap. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.
And this is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Keep watching $3 TV and have a great weekend.